Good day, sir. For my reflection about lesson 3, the spiritual self. The spiritual self is the part of us that look beyond the physical worlds. It is where our values, belief, purpose, and connection to something greater than ourselves are found. While our body and mind guide how we act and think, it is the spiritual self that guides why we live the way we do. I also learned that nurturing the spiritual self through reflection, prayers, meditation, or simply practicing kindness helps me develop compassion toward others and gratitude for the experiences and encounter every day. Overall, lesson 3. To me, that the spiritual self is important because it keeps me grounded, gives direction to my goal, and help me grow as a person. Thank you, sir.